Hi, we're back. No one tells you how hard it is to show up every single day, no matter what. Okay, we're going to create a new website. That's what ChatGPT said we had to do. We have to test and see if people really care about this. We're going to use AI to make it. What do you want to do? We just want to promote an event or project. Choose a template, build a template. I don't want to, let's build a template. We'll use AI. Okay, so I just opened Squarespace. We didn't tell it really anything. We're using AI to build our website. And it knows nothing about our website. So for the site title, we're going to say Talk to the Sun. We want it to be playful. Or do we want it to be bold? I like bold. Do we want an intro? I mean, we can always get rid of this, but say we want an intro section. And I think that might just be it for now. I like kind of plain colors, so let's leave it like that. And I like this, and barely told it anything, and it's already building. So it's just building us something. We can always change it, and then we will change it. So I'm going to go back to our chat, Talk to the Sun. It says the headline is Talk to the Sun, Discover the Patterns That Power Life, a new kind of observatory built for humans, not institutions. So that's our hero headline. Let's go to edit. Oops. And then instead of the learn more, which we could drag down, I'm going to add a block. I'm going to add text, and I'm going to put it underneath because there was a little subheadline, which is a new kind of observatory. And we're going to add that in. I'm literally just copying and pasting what ChatGPT said. Talk to the sun, discover the patterns that power life, a new kind of observatory built for humans, not institutions. Okay, but what kind of image do we want? We're going to add a block. We're going to add text. Talk to the sun, discover the patterns that power life, a new kind of observatory built for humans, not institutions. Track solar rhythms, magnetic shifts, planetary alignments in real time. Learn how they shape Earth, technology, and you. Okay, what I know, and then this is going to be our sign up button. I guess we kind of have to add a form. Oh, yeah. So to sign me, I want more info on Talk to the Sun as it launches. As soon as it launches, let's ask ChatGPT what this should say. So, what should the sign up button say? It seems we have an option to add an email form. And I'm just going to show ChatGPT what that screen was. Languaging. Join the Sun Watch list, sign me up to listen, get early access. Okay, so let's just say get early access. Get early access. And then what else? Get early access and join the Sun Watch list. It feels, oh, okay, join the Sun Watch list. And then probably this is supposed to be on the response email, but we'll just say, okay, so you're officially on the list. We'll let you know when the sun speaks again. Let me just copy this in case it doesn't work. Edit. Okay, great. It works. Okay, so instead of sign up, say get early access. Get early access. Now I can tell you we definitely don't want to have some sort of restaurant picture on the front. We're going to have to go to Midjourney. And I, to be honest, haven't used Midjourney in months. I use it for my phone mostly, but it should work. I remember, I don't know if I'm still paying for it, but let's try. If not, maybe we'll try using ChatGPT. But Midjourney is my favorite app to make images. I'm pretty sure I have an account. Let's try. I do. And they're always changing it. I mean, always changing it. I haven't used it in months, so I don't know if it's still the same way of making an image. But say, what do we want? Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. We want to make a hero image with Midjourney. What do you suggest? I have an idea, but I just want to see what they suggest before I give any information. Here's a prompt style. futuristic solar observatory floating above Earth, golden sun flares arcing over data. I love it. Over data grid lines, geometric lens structure reflecting plasma, ethereal scientific instrument, sunrise glow on the horizon, surreal but minimalist style of James Turrell and Neri Oxman. Honestly, James Turrell is like pretty much one of my favorite artists. Okay, so we'll go back to Midjourney. And let's just see. There used to be another way of giving prompts, but maybe they let you just do it like this. Remind me later. Did it work? Create. Oh yeah, it's creating something. That's so cool. That's so cool. Oh my God, it's a little futuristic. What do you think? It's a little futuristic. So I'm just gonna show. Oh yeah, you see other things I've created. I love James Turrell, and I thought your first prompt sounded perfect, but this is what Midjourney made, and I think it's a little out there. I don't see any implications of data lines, etc. Also, I need it to be the size for the website hero image. So then I'm just gonna, again, I made a screen capture, so I'm just gonna upload it. And this is wild because everything I'm doing, like I said, I don't like pre-think about what I'm doing. I'm literally just doing it with you. I'm reading what it's telling us to do and trying to make a website like within a half an hour with you, which includes making this Midjourney image. So refined prompt. I'm not even going to read it. I'm just going to use it. Copy, paste. This time it's giving us sizing, the AR31 V61. Let's see. It's 10% complete. I'm really grateful. It's so funny. Like the other one I'm kind of looking at is this, but that's like a little bit, I think I like this one. I like this one, but maybe we should try varying it. Okay. So we're trying to vary it. We'll just choose which one we like. I kind of like this one, even just because the sun is offset to the right a little bit. Okay, let's use this one. So let's download it and let's upload it. What do you think? I guess we could ask ChatGPT. That's what we'll do. We're going to upload the new image. Let's ask ChatGPT because clearly none of you guys are going to say anything to me because no one's watching me yet. Let's just ask ChatGPT what it thinks and what should change. I have no one else to ask right now. I need honest feedback. I mean, this is pretty cool because, like, I don't know how many of you have built things on your own before, but to have I could ask ChatGPT to create 10 virtual twins and everyone gives me their own honest feedback. Okay, maybe give me the feedback from each of our experts, the engineer, the brand strategist, and the financial expert. I don't remember what we called them. Yeah, I did. The sun feels real and radiant, not fantasy. The line tracks solar rhythms, magnetic shifts, and planetary alignments in real time. It's exactly right. Scientific tracking, not vague ideas. Add one visual cue of data. I really like that idea. Even a thin line waveform grid arcs, something subtle but real. I like that. And I think that's what's missing. And I think that's what I was feeling. Does this land emotionally and visually in under 3 seconds? The brand strategist says great warmth and presence. Maybe change get early access to join the sun watch list or enter the solar field. The financial strategist, I don't know if we really need their input right now. Okay, so can you give me an updated Midjourney prompt to include the engineers, I think, spot on, to also have add one visual cue of data, even a thin layer of waveform, grid arcs, or orbital paths, something subtle but real. Okay, so let's try. I'm just trying to get this all done for you within a half an hour, which is cool. It's like another way, and it shows you that you can really do anything when you're consistent, when you show up, and when you have a plan to get something done within a certain amount of time. So I'm going to go back to our create. I really did it. Do you think that does it? Maybe. I kind of like the infinity. Let's download it. And then switch this out. Background. My dog put her toy box on the couch behind me. I'm going to upload the file. I think this is going to be prettier anyways. It seems better to me. I don't know. I just like it better. Okay. I like it. I like it better. I don't know. What do you think? Let's ask ChatGPT. I like this better. Also, what short message should be scrolling in large letters across the bottom? It really doesn't matter. I think if you ask ChatGPT, like if I had good grammar or spelling, it would say that I don't, or that I try and act quickly. I really do try and act quickly. I just don't want to, I don't want to be too precious. That's what I used to say to my camera team. Like, just come on, let's just do it. Okay, so because I think by doing and iterating, you get better and better and better. It's so much. I used to be a perfectionist, and I really feel like doing is the best way for creating. It's that you just do, and every time you get better. But if you don't do, you don't get better. You just stay at that same level. Okay, so the sun is speaking, we're listening. That sounds perfect to me. I love it. I love it. And what did it think about it? Robin, it looks dramatically better. Golden light, subtle grid patterns, clean, elegant typography. Perfect. I love it. Okay, literally in, I don't know how long we've been working, like 15, 20 minutes. We have our landing page. What else do we need? Do we need the about section and the contact? I don't think so. This is just for gaining emails. Do we need more info on this page? I mean, it's for gaining emails for proof of concept. I guess I should have written that. I'm so grateful that we're almost done the proof of concept line, or point, so that we can just build. Because, well, I guess if we don't gain emails, we don't get to build, but then we'll pivot. And I know the other thing that I'm thinking about is needed. So I don't even think we need to do proof of concept, but that's always where I go wrong. So we have to do proof of concept. So come on, guys, like support, so we can actually get the building. Because I really think the value is really going to be in me showing you how we build together. That's like, that's my forte. And obviously, in order to get there, we have to dialogue with ChatGPT and prove that it's needed. So I hope that you guys vote and give me your email so that we can build this or something else. We have already the hero section, the strong value proposition, data-backed poetic aesthetic, email capture button, implied credibility through language, no hype. Not needed right now. We don't need those two sections. Recommended optional only if you want to increase conversions slightly. Yeah, we want to. Small, you'll get what you'll get section. What you'll discover in the app. Edit header. Well, I don't know. I think we have to get rid of these pages. So we're just going to move them not linked, not linked. So now we don't have those pages. And then what we do need is one more section. Let me just ask, should the what you'll discover section be below the large scrolling letters or above. And I think we should add that section. The idea of the landing page is to prove the need for the app or interest for the app so we can build. Okay, we are running out of time. Let's see. Perfect instinct. Okay, so placement. The hero section, scrolling line, act as an emotional anchor. Where do we put it? Sorry. Once people feel the vibe, the next section is practical clarity. Okay, so what you'll discover inside the app, let's do it below the scrolling. Edit, add section. I don't know if we need a picture. Let's change the layout. I don't think we really need a picture. Oh, let's just delete it. Oh, let's actually delete this section and add a different section. Add section, products, contacts, images. I mean, I always like this one. Okay. And we can leave it dark. We can make it dark or we can leave it light. Okay, so what is this section for? We're going to say what you'll discover inside the app. I don't know if that's where you write that. Okay, let's try. Should there be a hero section or hero sentence above what you will discover inside this app? So let's say the sun is not just light, it's pattern. This app will help you see it. I like that. Everything is vibrating. This is where you start to track the signal. Ooh, I like that. You need a telescope to observe the sun. Okay. I think the sun is not just light, it's pattern. This app helps you see it. So we are going to have to check that it looks good on the phone, but for now, we'll just what you'll get, and we want that to be heading 3, and then add block text. We're almost there, guys. I'm just going to move this down. It's what you'll discover in the app. And then what will you get? Let's just do this. And we can cross-check it by the next section, but I just want to get this in here. That looks like only 2, and I think there were 3. Did I not copy the third one? Let's do it again. Oh, I think they just didn't. Okay, so what else? Join the waitlist. Make sure your form leads to a thank you message. I guess this should be a join the waitlist. And again, we'll do the email. I guess I need to do a 2. Just use this email. What did we have? Get access, join the watch list. I don't know what we had there. But let's just put our thank you message, I guess. Here we go. Everything is vibrating. I don't know. We do need to put my email address, and then we'll say get early access. That's what it's supposed to say. Save, get early access. Save and exit. And we kind of have it. I think this space here is a little bit much, so let's see if we can make it smaller. We just need to move it up. And save and exit. And then let's look at how it looks on the phone. How does it look? It's too much space. Let's move this up. Again, too much space. This is just visual. I just, make a lot of websites. I think that we're good. Let's go back to this, make sure it still looks good. Okay, I think we're ready to publish, which we will do tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much for joining. We now have our proof of concept. If you're watching, I hope you give your email if you want me to build it. I think they said if I get 10 emails, we can go. They'll tell us tomorrow. Okay, have an awesome day.